Hi, welcome back to King's Auto Garage. Today we have a Mercedes GT 2016 model car here. So my customer visited for me to inspect the oil leak. Why he is suspecting an oil leak? Because he used to see oil drops when he take out the car from his home parking. So let's inspect which part is leaking. So yeah, here this is leaking. So here comes the rear main seal. This part is the engine. It's a V8 bi-turbo engine, and the gearbox comes at the rear side. So this casing is to cover the propeller shaft of the car. So here at the back side of the engine, there is a seal. It's called rear main seal. So this seal we need to replace for the fixage of oil leak. So these are the parts we need to replace to fix the leak. So as you see here, all the parts are original Mercedes, and this bolt you see this here to fix the main seal. This is the main seal which is coming at the back side of the engine. So for fixing this seal, we need help of this 13 bolt to fix it proper, to align it properly so that it will fix the leak. So now let's start the work. I'll be handing over the parts to technician so that he will be fixing this.
Can't take heartache, but I don't think I'm ever getting past you. All day, I'll stay. You and me, a beautiful disaster. Always fighting till we go insane. Fuck 'em.
Here we are doing the endoscopic test, and we observe the crank seal is leaking. As you can see the videos here, that's pretty make sure that the crank seal is leaking.
All day, I'll stay. You and me, a beautiful disaster. Always fighting till we go insane. Fuck all night until we don't feel pain. All day, I'll stay. You and me, a beautiful disaster. I know why your mind is so dishonest. I see you and I'm fucked up like before. I'm surprised the 45 is loaded. You're really trying to blow my brains tonight. Fucked up on a Saturday. The vibes ain't right and the sex don't feel like love. I know that there's better days. The memories are gone. It's a beautiful disaster. Can't take heartache, but I don't think I'm ever getting past it. All day, I'll stay. You and me, a beautiful disaster. Always fighting till we go insane. Fuck all night until we don't feel pain. All day, I'll stay. You and me, a beautiful disaster. Oh, 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 oh. Getting past it. Oh, 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 oh. You and me, a beautiful disaster. Girl, you always looking pretty with no makeup. Let me take you to the
To get the access to the rear main seal, we had to remove the propeller shaft assembly as well as the gearbox. So as I informed you in the beginning, the engine comes inside the front side of the car and the gearbox is coming in the back side of the car. So this is the gearbox we removed to get in order to get the access to the rear main seal side, the gearbox assembly, and this is the shaft you see here. So there's a difference from the other car. The shaft is completely covered. This is the shaft, propeller shaft, which is delivering the power or delivering the output of the engine to the gearbox through this propeller shaft. Since it is a higher RPM propeller shaft, it it is come with the cover also. Normally, for other car, this propeller shaft is visible outside. For in this case, the shaft is entire shaft is covered by a huge aluminum case.
You will say it's always a bad time. Anyway, I'll say it's like the last time. Hard to break away when you were on mine. Gotta take heartache, but I don't think I'm ever getting past you. All day, all day, you and me a beautiful disaster. Always fighting till we go insane. Fuck all night until we don't feel pain. All day, I'll stay. You and me a beautiful disaster.
Okay. So we have removed half of the part, like the propeller shaft and the gearbox we have removed, so that we can get access to the location where the rear main seal is fixed. So this is what we are going to replace now, and as you can see here, this is the rear main seal. So this 13 bolt along with this rear main seal we need to replace to make sure that it will not leak again. So the new part is here. This is the part which we are going to replace.
Price the 45 is loaded. You're really trying to blow my brain tonight. Fucked up on a Saturday. The vibes ain't right and the sex don't feel like love. I know that there's better days. The memories are gone. It's a beautiful disaster. Gotta take heartache, but I don't think I'm ever getting past it. All day, I'll stay. You and me a beautiful disaster. Always fighting till we go insane. Fuck all night until we don't feel pain. All day, I'll stay. You and me a beautiful disaster. Oh, 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 oh. Getting past it. Oh, 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 oh. You and me a beautiful disaster. Girl, you always looking pretty with no makeup. Let me take you to the city before we break up. One more night, girl, we won't fight. I just want a little break from the hard times. Every day you gave me a flat line. You would say it's always a bad time. Anyway, I'll say it's like the last time. Hard to break away when you were on mine. Gotta take heartache, but I don't think I'm ever getting past you. All day, all day, you and me a beautiful disaster. Always fighting till we go insane. Fuck all night until we don't feel pain. All day, I'll stay. You and me a beautiful disaster. Here comes trouble, putting on a show. Like a domino, I fall. Another bottle, don't know what to say. Send me on my way to you. I know you're all that I want, but I don't even know your name. So don't go and leave me lonely. I'll show you another way. And you say it's a one-night thing, but I want something more than that. So don't go and leave me lonely. I'll show you another way. So don't go and leave me lonely. I'll show you another way. too long. Did you notice? I saw you over there, looking like a heartbreaker. I know you're all that I want, but I
So
don't.
we have done with the replacement of rear crank seal, and it's a time for road testing. The purpose was to fix the oil leak after replacing the rear main seal. So after all this work is done, we will be testing the car. We will be taking the car for road test. Once the road test is done, we will again take the car on the hydraulic jack to lift and observe is the oil leak is fixed completely or not. So road test is a mandatory here. So the purpose of the road test is also to make sure the gear shifting of the car is proper and all the other mechanical components is fixed back properly, because when we take the car for a road test, we will get to know all those things. Since the gearbox is removed for the replacement of rear main seal, we need to make sure the gear is shifting properly, so that we can also get to know that all the mechanical repair done on the car was accomplished successfully. Also, we will make this car to run around 100 kilometers, so that after the completion of this 100 kilometer, we will put the car on the jack again to make sure there is no further leakings. So it will give us a confidence that the job is done completely, and our clients will also be satisfied with our work. So we have done the road testing and the inspection after the long road test. Car works fine. Also there is no oil leak, so we can make sure that the repair is done properly. So guys, if you have any requirement for your car, this kind of any inquiries if you have for your car, feel free to contact us, and also please share, subscribe our YouTube channel.
All that I want, but I don't even know your name. So don't go and leave me lonely. I'll show you another way. And you say it's a one-night thing.